Hey guys, we are super excited because this episode we are going into Kalbarri National Park. Kalbarri, don't know how to say it. Kalbarri, that'll do. So have you seen Nature's Window?
I have, because it's all over Instagram.
Is it?
Yep.
And it is in Kalbarri National Park, as well as heaps of other stuff. So we're going to check out that tomorrow. Today, because we're getting there pretty late, it's about a half-hour drive from the town into the national park. So first we're going to go and check out the beach, the Savo, have a look at some snorkeling, and then tomorrow we'll hit the national park.
Yeah, so we're pretty lucky here. It's Kalbarri's only been open for the 2 weeks, I think, after the cyclone hit a couple of months ago and caused a lot of destruction. So
yeah,
we're lucky and grateful that we can get in there.
And
yeah.
Some houses fall down.
Oh yeah, there's been destruction to houses too.
And I think it's good that we're getting in there and putting some money back into the local economy.
Yeah, definitely. So we're going to stay at a caravan park to put some of that money back in.
So much to see, but what's wrong with taking the back streets? You never know if you don't go. You never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go.
The kids are just at the play equipment, so we're going to do a drive past and pick them up. Hello.
Bye!
You guys pumped for our massive walking today?
Yeah. Yep. I think not.
So when we go on a hike, the things that we would normally pack are enough food to last us for the length of the hike, and maybe even a little bit more just in case something goes wrong. Heaps of water. We've only got 4 water bottles, so we probably don't take as much water as we should. We should probably take more water than we do.
The cameras, drones, chargers, sunscreen, you get that one?
Sunscreen.
Fly nets.
Nope, we didn't bring them.
Could be an error.
Oops. And some Band-Aids, some Savlon. Not the whole first aid kit, just the snake kit with a couple of extra things added. I think that's, swimmers. 2 very light towels just in case there's somewhere that we want to stop for a swim.
That's enough.
Yeah,
That's
so
more
basically
enough.
2 backpacks. And I take the one with food so that if Danny's off taking pics, the kids and I can just have a little nibble. And it also means that by the end of the walk, my bag's a lot lighter. So you know how Danny mentioned the fly nets? I think I'm going to hear more about that today because there's heaps of flies and I didn't pack them. Oh well.
I'm already hot and we've only walked down the staircase. It looks like there should be crocs in that river, but there's not.
It's spectacular up here. My gosh, look at this. Man, you've probably seen heaps of pictures of Nature's Window, and that's what I had seen. But when I look up here, man, it is just amazing. It's more beautiful even around it. And just up there is where the Skywalk is. So we're going to go up there in a minute. But for the moment, I'm going to come and show you what you've probably seen heaps of photos of, and that is Nature's Window. Danny managed to get the drone just before everyone gave in.
Dreams aren't meant to be broken. Take me to where the mountains can kill. People are free and time stands still. Whatever makes my heart come to life or fall apart. Show me the best, the worst of the world. I hope that's the life that you prefer. And if you want to go with
view up here.
Stunning.
Free as well.
Yeah. If you got your National Parks pass, then free entry. Otherwise, I don't know how much it is. I'll look it up and I'll tell you. I'll put it on the screen.
$15 or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Well done, Western Australian Parks.
We're just trying to time the shot.
Bloody hard. Like people walking that one, and people walking the other one.
Yeah.
People walking out, people walking back in.
How dare they?
Yeah, how dare they? Don't they know we're trying to take a photo? We need a stop-go sign so that we can go, up, stop, photo session. Anyone, I think we just had like a professional photo shoot. We had the whole ledge to ourselves. Daddy's like, go here, go there, go here. I'm like, come on mate, are we done yet? We're finally done. We've just pulled up to the Zeddy Bend lookout and there's a walk that you can do. Well, there's two walks that you can do. There's an easy one and a hard one.
Doing the hard one.
The hard one is 2.6 k's return. It's a grade 4. On the actual walk it says it's very difficult, it's steep, there's ladders, there's loose rocks.
But we're doing it because you can go for a swim at the end of it. And
Yeah.
It's hot.
Yeah, when you go onto WikiCamps to look at the actual reviews, people have said it's not actually that hard, so we're going to go give it a look. If we get to a really hard part that we think, nah, it's too tough, then worst case we just turn around and come back. So
It looks like Ace after he got taken out the sandboarding.
totally.
And you also write about us creating an army as well.
Yeah!
No. We create an army in book 5. Our army's in book
Got
5.
M.
Okay.
Come on, buddy. We are here. Oh. No luck finding somewhere for us to have a swim.
Oh, we can, but we just have to walk like 500 metres up there over rocks, so
Yeah, not gonna work.
we can get there, but then it'd be hard to get back and that.
So we'll just have some lunch,
Feet in.
take our shoes off.
I want to hop in fully. Just splashing your lolo.
Nice.
Away. Work the week, your life in your day. Every single episode, nothing but the slave. Look away, look away, look away.
Ah, the serenity. Danny just got his drone out. Oh, here we go. Here it is. Oh, you're going to skip them into the water.
Hey!
That was just the water.
Oh, sure it was. You're making a spa bath, mate.
But the water was really nice and refreshing from that really hot walk. Although there is a lot of flies, so do make sure to bring a fly net.
You're not going to let me leave that down, are you, that I
No.
forgot the fly nets? Jeez.
You forgot the fly net.
Yeah.
It was a good walk. Yeah, I reckon it was good fun climbing over those rocks.
Yeah.
Up and down and through the little narrow alleyway there.
Yeah. I really liked it. I agree. It was fun, equally fun going down as up. It wasn't so far that on the way up you were like, oh, when's it going to end? Like, it was a good workout for sure.
Yeah, a little beach would have been good down there. Like, we could only get down where the rocks were. I think if we went a bit further, it'd be a nice beach, but a bit tricky
Yeah.
with the kids.
Yeah. It would have been good to have a proper swim down there, but it was still nice dipping the feet in, cooling them down.
Cool the feet.
On on our way out of Kalbarri, but we're just going to stop in the national park and see a couple of lookouts, well, at least one. So this one is literally you just park at the car park and it's only like a 20-metre walk, I think, to the lookout. Not far. The lookout's just down there, and look, I can already see it over there. Massive electric shocks from the barrier. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I just
You see the spark?
Yeah, I heard it.
Hey, Kai, Mum, Ace was touching that, and then he touched me, and then I got electric shock.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, how pretty.
You are a pill, I swallow it.
Oh, this is special. Get to experience this just totally in nature. Oh, apart from the electric shock. So if you've been, keep it going. All right, so anyone who's been following us on Facebook or Insta or along on YouTube will probably have worked out that Danny is a landscape and portrait artist, and he has done these amazing paintings for us that we have up in our van. A lot of people said, oh, I love the pictures in your van. Well, they're Danny's paintings, and so they are photos that he's taken that he's then turned into an oil painting. He also does commission work, so people will send him a photo of something that they've taken on their travels, and then he'll turn that into a beautiful artwork for them for either their van or back in their house. Now, the reason why I'm telling you this is because when we were in Kalbarri, Danny did a painting of nature's window because it was so beautiful and inspired him. And so we've got this beautiful painting up in our van over here. And we were thinking that we could do a giveaway. So we're going to give away a smaller version of that painting to someone from YouTube, Facebook or Insta. So anyone on those 3 platforms can enter. I'll put the date down here by which you need to enter. For you guys on YouTube, the way that you enter is you need to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and just put a comment down below saying, I want the painting, and then you will be in the running to win a beautiful painting of nature's window. Now, if you don't want nature's window and you just want something commissioned, then feel free to send us a message and Danny can work with you on getting one of your photos turned into a beautiful painting. And if you're worried about budget, like, oh my gosh, this is going to cost me thousands of dollars, don't worry about that, because we work with you on whatever your budget is to get you something within that budget. So good luck, guys.
That's the episode, guys. Hope you liked it.
Yeah, feel free to pop a comment below, let us know what you thought, like and subscribe to the channel.